In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add a booking calendar to your Wix website. Let's begin this journey through the easy-to-use interface of Wix in order to add a functional booking calendar to your site. Kick things off by opening up your website in the Wix editor. This is your control panel where the magic happens and where we'll be spending a considerable amount of time today. Make sure you are in a comfortable workspace and have enough time to follow through these steps. Now that you've opened your website in the Wix editor, you are going to start adding new elements. To do this, you're going to click on the Add button, which you'll find on the left side menu. It's easy to spot as it's marked with a plus icon. You may need to scroll down a bit, but once you do, locate and select Bookings from the list of options. This is the feature that we'll be integrating into your Wix website. Moving on, the next step involves you clicking on Weekly Timetable. The reason for this is to ensure your visitors have a visual representation of the available slots they can book each week. They will find this feature quite user-friendly, as it allows them to see what slots are open at a quick glance. Following that, you will select this Weekly Timetable and then drag and drop it into a suitable place on your website. Take a few moments to decide where would be the most intuitive and easy-to-find place for the visitors to your website. Remember, you want the booking process to be as smooth as possible for them. Once you have placed the weekly timetable on your website and are satisfied with its placement, it's time to turn our attention to the settings. Click on the newly placed calendar and in the pop-up that appears, select Settings. This will allow you to truly tailor this feature to meet the specific needs and style of your website. Within the Settings option, you will find two main categories that you can alter: Display and Text. You can play around with these settings to change specific elements on the timetable. For instance, you can change the heading from the default class schedule to something more aligned with your product or service, such as Appointments or Bookings. Remember, the more tailored it is to your business, the more engaging it will be for your clientele. There you have it. By just following these simple yet effective steps, you've learned not only how to add, but also to customize a booking calendar for your Wix website. You've just made it easier for your customers to engage with you and potentially boosted your business with your newfound knowledge of Wix's features.